What's up, Tech? It's Josh here, and we're unboxing the Google Pixel Watch 3 45mm version. I'm super excited about this announcement because, yes, the Pixel Watch, the last two generations were fine. They're good watches. My biggest gripe about it, though, was the size. It kind of looked just too small on me for my preference, so I'm really excited that they announced the 45mm version this time. And I'm pretty confident I'm gonna like this way more. But as you can see, as we're unboxing, you get your normal stuff, you get your wristbands, you get two different sizes, you get a small and a large. So if you have a small wrist, you are still covered. But if you're like me, you're gonna want that large size. You got two different sections to unbox, which includes the watch, the bands, and then the charger. The charger seems to be pretty much the same as last year. Not too much else to see with that. So I'm pretty excited about getting these bands on here and see how it fits. It is a different way to put the watch band on, so if you need help with that, let me know. I believe I have a video explaining how to do it. As you can see here, they are definitely different sizes. When this was announced, I went to Best Buy and I looked at the watch in person. That was the first time I saw it, but this is the first time putting it on myself and being able to see what it looks like. So obviously got to go through all the steps to get this all set up so I can start using the watch. And while that's going on, I was just kind of curious to see even if the wristbands were thicker or not, and sure enough, they are wider than what you had before. So you do have some wider wristbands, which I like that way more than these smaller ones that we had in the past. So what's your thoughts on the Pixel Watch 3, the 45mm? Is this the size that you've been waiting for? Let me know down in the comments.